Hello viewer, I am Shabad and you watch my YouTube channel JS Medicine. Today I inform you about how Tonoflex-P tablet. Its formula is tramadol plus paracetamol. Tonoflex-P tablet has two formulas. Number one tramadol and number two paracetamol. Its tablet is an analgesic tablet. Its company is Sami company and its tablet it means Tonoflex-P tablet is used for the treatment of chronic pain, migraine, cluster headache and Tonoflex-P is commonly used muscle pain, joint pain, and stiffness. And this tablet is very good for the treatment of pain. If you have body pain and any pain, then you take this tablet. If I study its side effects of Tonoflex-P tablet, its commonly side effects is diarrhea, stomach upset, and headache. This side effect is commonly of the Tonoflex-P tablet. Its price is 311 rupees of one pack of Tonoflex-P tablet. Tramadol and paracetamol are two medications that make up paracetamol plus paracetamol and tramadol. It is a member of the analgesic drug class and is employed in the symptomatic management of moderate of several pain. If you like my video, thank you very much and comment pass. And its tablet dose is two tablets take in a day. Thank you.